In Philippians chapter 4 and verse 13, we read, I can do all things through Christ, which strengtheneth me. Philippians chapter 4 and verse 13. Today we are looking as we continue our Meatless Made 30-day audio blog series on how to continue, maintain, nourish, balance, and all these things in terms of our vegan lifestyle journey. Our topic today is recipe for success. This is probably one of the most important ones of the series so far. For additional information, please see the description area. We'll probably go a little bit over our usual time, but the information I do believe is vital. So what we'll be looking at are just a few points, and we have others in the description area where you can build on from here. Start small. Do a gradual withdrawal. This is number one. Start small, do a gradual withdrawal. In fact, the idea is to give up something, one thing that is part of your meat diet, whether it's hot dogs or something like that, something that's meat-based, and give it up for a week, a month, gradually build from there. And to build on that, baby steps. Ease into your new routine. One thing I do recommend is decreasing your salt and sugar intake. As you know, these are the things on your taste buds that really magnify your cravings. Salt and sugar, sweet and salty. So decrease those and try to replace the processed sugar and the salt intake with natural salt and natural sugar products if you can. Baby steps, like I said. We know, like I said, these things are what stimulate your overindulgence of that which is not healthy. Additionally, pre-plan. Know what you are going to have at each meal so that you know what you need on your shopping list. Don't be caught off guard. Oh, there's nothing in the fridge to eat, and therefore you have a craving for something unhealthy, or you want to go back on your diet. You want to go for the easy McDonald's and Burger King or whatever. So pre-plan. In the description, there's a link to two sites. One of them is a meal planning formula, and the other is a shopping list, and it gives you ideas of what to shop for. Stock up. I cannot emphasize this enough. Stock up. Whether it's your vegan substitute, mayonnaise, eggs, sugar, beans, legumes, you need to shop for a lot of legumes. Let it be part of the basis of your diet. In fact, one of the things I do recommend is that you pre-cook and have things in storage. Yes, stockpile the freezer with items that you might need. Like I said again, a lot of times it's that persons get the hunger pangs and they go for the easy fix. That being said, I've heard reports and even testimonies from my Facebook friends who said, well, I tried it and I did it for 6 weeks, I did it for a month, and then I was on an airplane or I was out or wherever, and I fell back. I dropped off. Don't give up if you have a setback. So you determined that May 6, 2022 would be the start of your vegan lifestyle journey, and May 7th you mess up. Let May 8th be the new beginning, and so on and so forth. But the key is, don't give up. In the description, there's many resources. I have designed this particular description area so that you are completely fortified. Whether it's links to the products that are mentioned in the shopping list or other help that you may need, it is there. You don't have to give up. Remember our scripture reading. I can do all things through Christ, which strengthens me. That I know is for the believers. For those of you who are non-believers, just remember that you don't have to give up. There's always a way out and a way through. Do not live a defeated life. And that is what happens when you set yourself up for failure. And that's why this, of all the ones that have come before, is vitally important, because if you are failing to prepare, you're preparing to fail, and you're setting yourself up for a letdown if you don't try to incorporate some of these things so that your lifestyle is conformed into that which it needs to be. Finally, again, like I said, for those who are believers, Philippians chapter 4 and verse 13, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. That is our ultimate source of victory, our recipe for success. I pray by the grace of God that you will seek to adopt some of these things into your lifestyle. And most importantly, I pray that as you apply these things, they are most beneficial for you as you seek to succeed in your new journey. God bless.